I have created a slideshow that others can use in order to give a lesson on birthrights and what is a birthright. And I used Genesis chapter 25 to put together this slideshow. On your first slide, this is where you can talk about the definition of a birthright and what it is. On the next slide, it gives the actual scriptures where Jacob got his birthright from his elder brother Esau, and they were twins, and Esau was born first, and it says what he gave up in order to give away his birthright. I did go a few verses before to talk about that this was something that the Lord did let their mother know before they were born, that the elder twin would serve the younger. Then on this slide, you can go over what his birthright was that he gave up versus what he got. This would be a slide for reflection. That was it a wise choice, and would we do the same? And we ask if we would do the same trade because we all have a birthright. And this goes over what our birthright is, and that we all have one. This again goes into what our birthright is and what we get for being children of God. And then you can ask the question, would you give up your birthright for a meal? But the meal is sort of a representation of things that we have in our lives that could pull us away from our birthright. Here's a list of things, but it is anything that has the ability to take the Lord's Spirit from us. So there are things on one side that are worse, that the Spirit just cannot dwell, and the things on the left are things that we do use, but we need to be careful how much time we spend on them. And then we talk about spiritual starvation and how it takes time. You don't just wake up one day and you're starved. And at the end, I just bear my testimony. And if you present this to someone else, you can add yours. And I hope that you find this well enough to use. Thank you.